Welcome back to Newsline. As Vietnam marks National Election Day and voters await the results, it is also a moment to reflect on the country's progress during this term. Now, Phoebe, I believe that in recent years, Vietnam has frequently made headlines as one of Southeast Asia's top destinations for foreign investment.
Yes, and there are a multitude of reasons why this is so. And the success has been driven by factors such as reduced administrative procedures and more attractive policies for investors. But as the country heads into a new term, businesses say some issues still need attention, including regulatory consistency and the challenges of keeping up with the new laws.
Well, the following report looks at perspectives from the international investment community and their expectations for the next National Assembly term.
This European industrial park developer operates several industrial zones in northern Vietnam, hosting a range of international manufacturers and technology firms. Like many foreign investors, the company says navigating regulatory procedures can still present challenges.
The main concerns, one important issue here is governmental clarity. Companies experience situations where regulations evolve quickly, or where, and I think that's even worse, the interpretation can differ between different levels of authorities or even among different provinces in Vietnam.
Businesses say keeping up with regulatory changes can also place pressure on companies, particularly when new laws are introduced rapidly.
I think one of the big challenges when the National Assembly is really busy making new laws is that business has to be really busy staying up to date as well. And following that, businesses have to ensure they maintain sort of policies and procedures to remain compliant with laws. And that's quite easy for big businesses because they have a lot of resources available to them, but it can be hard for small businesses to remain compliant.
Continued reforms to address these concerns will be important to maintain the country's attractiveness for foreign investment.
And so while investors say challenges remain, many also point to policy reforms in recent years that have helped improve Vietnam's business environment. And in this next story, we take a closer look at how these changes are shaping investors' confidence.
In recent years, Vietnam has revised several key laws, including the law on investment and the land law, as part of broader efforts to improve transparency and streamline procedures for businesses.
The recent legal reforms, including the update of the law on investment, have been very positive for many international companies. The changes have improved overall the investment clarity and reduced some regulatory barriers and created also stronger confidence for some more long-term investments, right? And in particular, encouragement of the sustainable and high value investment.
The clearer the law on land, especially for foreign investors and for foreign infrastructure investors, is critical. The more that the law can be easily interpreted for major infrastructure projects means that foreign investors are confident to invest in the major infrastructure projects that Vietnam has in its pipeline over the next 5 years.
These two laws, along with several other recent reforms, have helped improve transparency and clarify procedures for market entry and project approvals for many foreign businesses.
In particular, clearer regulations on conditional sectors such as investment incentives, dispute resolution have made it easier for companies to plan long-term investments.
From a business perspective, continuing these reforms will be key as Vietnam prepares for the next National Assembly term.
And as the country prepares for a new legislative term, we asked members of the international business community what they hope to see in Vietnam's policy direction in the years ahead to address the concerns.
The National Assembly of Vietnam plays a very significant role, an important role in providing, as mentioned, the transparency, the stable and predictable framework overall which helps then international investors and also corporations like ours to make their long-term planning.
I think this upcoming term is actually very, very important, very crucial. The world is actually quite uncertain. Vietnam needs to reinforce its reputation as a very reliable destination. In the next term, it continues to strengthen these institutional reforms and to enable to maintain this safe and stable policy environment. I think it will definitely boost the investor confidence and also will help support Vietnam's ambition goal to move further up the global value chain.
Whenever law and regulations are amended, all businesses need sufficient time and preparation to comply with the new requirements. Therefore, this allows them to conduct sustainable operations with long-term visibility and to make important decisions, such as large-scale investment, with greater confidence.
One thing that can be done with that is to consider maybe a commercial impact assessment with these new regulations to make sure that all of the facilities in place to proceed and enforce the regulations, but maintaining their normal speed and the normal costs of